I find this pretty fascinating. The FTT token by the FTX exchange is at $1.40, pretty far away from zero if you ask me, even though the FTX exchange has completely imploded. The market rank of the cryptocurrency is at 209. So that means there's only 200 cryptocurrencies that are larger in terms of market cap. The market cap of this FTT token is at almost $500 million, $460 million. That's the value the market is giving to this FTT token. This, I think, is a pretty good reflection of how inefficient crypto markets actually are. When we look at this FTT token in US dollars at a very long-term chart, you can see the current price is even higher than what we have seen in July of 2019. It actually went up since its issuance. Of course, it had crashed recently quite a bit, but still, the value of all the tokens floating around went even up. Now, there's this website, Dune Analytics, which provides quite interesting dashboards around all kinds of cryptocurrencies. And when you search for FTX, you'll find this kind of a dashboard that has data around the Alameda balance and how it's split up between different assets. So here we've got the value of the Alameda balance. So this is tracked on chain. You can see obviously the crypto winter has taken its toll, but also withdrawals have pushed this quite a bit down from 1 billion to currently 5 million only. You can also see the net flows in and out. What's interesting around the makeup of that balance, right, of the hedge fund of FTX is how things actually got sold off. So in July of this year, we only had a few stable coins and the FTT token left. So Tether and USDC. And that then also got withdrawn. First the Tether in November and then also the USDC in December. So it really looks like the hedge fund has pretty much sold off anything to make withdrawals happen for a while. And then the final core of stablecoins also got withdrawn. What might be also worth looking at is actually what kind of transactions have happened for the hacks and also for the withdrawals, right? What kind of people withdrew fast enough to not get completely hit by this? And it's likely going to be insiders or at least large investors that had a pretty close connection to SBF. Now, I find this pretty fascinating. Who's still buying the FTT token? How is it possible that the token actually did not lose much value in the last 3 weeks or so? What are the people speculating on here? If you've got any idea what's actually going on, feel free to post this in the comments. The fact that the market rank of the token is still so high, it kind of gives a picture how dangerous and how underdeveloped crypto actually is. If you ever dabble in altcoins and they are smaller than market rank 200, you might be playing with assets that are completely air, right? That are from bankrupt companies or that are completely artificially inflated. And so I personally, especially in this current market environment, I try to stick with the things that at least can hold up somewhat. Mainly Bitcoin, but also a bit of Ethereum. I do own some BNB. That's because of DeFi interest rate arbitrage. But already when we go further down this list, we get more and more altcoins that might be somewhat troubled, right? Solana, for example, also with its very close tie to FTX. It's very questionable how Solana will actually develop after this collapse. So be careful out there. Don't overinvest right now. I stay away from too much risk and I simply wait for my back-tested indicators to turn green again. In case you follow this channel, you know I've back-tested several moving averages. For Bitcoin, the best moving averages are drawn over here. In red, the best EMA. In green, the best SMA. And currently, we are not yet bullish on Bitcoin, right? We would have to be above both moving averages. Sometimes we do get our slight fake outs, but overall, when we backtest these moving averages, they tend to work relatively well. You want to be buying when the price is above, and you want to be selling or even go short when the price is below the moving averages. Currently, things still haven't yet stabilized. Momentum is not yet positive, and thus going too aggressive on any altcoin speculation, I think right now is rather a bad idea. Looking forward to your comments again, and a like would be appreciated as well. There's also a Telegram channel. Feel free to check that out. Simply search for Bitcoin Strategy Channel within the Telegram app, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.